You don't need a major disease or accident for your health to start breaking down. In reality, it's the small daily habits, the little things you repeat without thinking, that slowly shape your body, your brain, and your future health. Most people don't notice the impact until it's already too late. Today I'll show you 10 everyday habits that quietly damage your body and what you can do instead. At the end, I'll also give you a quick self-check you can do right now. The first habit is sitting for long hours without breaks. Humans weren't designed to sit 8 to 10 hours a day. When you sit too long, blood flow slows, muscles weaken, and pressure builds in the spine. Over time, the risks of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers increase. The fix is simple: move every 30 to 40 minutes, even if it's just standing, stretching, or walking for 2 minutes. Those micro breaks protect your circulation and your back. The second habit is cutting sleep short. Many people think 5 or 6 hours is enough, but the body pays a hidden price. Poor sleep spikes blood sugar, raises blood pressure, and disrupts the repair of brain cells. A single week of sleeping less than 6 hours a night makes your immune system weaker and your memory slower. The alternative is aiming for 7 to 9 hours with a regular bedtime, and if that feels impossible, at least remove screens 1 hour before bed to allow the brain to switch off. The third habit is drinking too much sugar and caffeine. Energy drinks, soft drinks, and even those huge flavored coffees load your body with glucose and overstimulate your adrenal system. The result is short bursts of energy followed by crashes, more hunger, and long-term strain on the heart. What helps is replacing at least half of those drinks with water or unsweetened tea. You'll notice within a week your energy feels steadier. The fourth habit is constant snacking on processed food. Packaged chips, crackers, and pastries may be quick, but they flood your body with salt, sugar, and additives. That doesn't just affect your waistline, it changes your gut bacteria, increases inflammation, and sets the stage for insulin resistance. Instead, keep simple whole foods nearby: nuts, fruit, or even boiled eggs. They calm hunger without kicking your body into imbalance. The fifth habit is ignoring stress signals. Headaches, tight shoulders, a racing heart. Your body is sending messages. Ignoring them doesn't make them go away. It trains your nervous system to live in constant fight-or-flight mode. Over time, that means higher risks of hypertension, strokes, and burnout. A healthier step is to add short stress resets. 2 minutes of deep breathing, a walk outside, or writing down what's on your mind. Small releases prevent bigger breakdowns. The sixth habit is not drinking enough water. Dehydration often feels like fatigue, hunger, or brain fog. Even mild dehydration reduces concentration and makes your kidneys and heart work harder. People often think coffee or soda replaces water, but they don't. A simple rule is half a liter within an hour of waking and then regular sips through the day. Clear urine is your best indicator. The seventh habit is overusing painkillers. Taking pills for every headache, backache, or minor pain seems harmless, but frequent use stresses your liver, kidneys, and stomach. It can also mask underlying problems. The healthier step is to use medication when truly necessary and pair it with lifestyle fixes like posture correction, hydration, and rest. If pain is chronic, it's better to look for the root cause with a doctor instead of hiding it with pills. The eighth habit is poor posture with phones and computers. Text neck, rounded shoulders, and hunched backs are now common even in teenagers. This strains muscles, compresses nerves, and may cause long-term spine damage. Every time you check your phone, lift it to eye level, and every half hour adjust your sitting posture. Small corrections now prevent lifelong problems later. The ninth habit is eating too fast. Wolfing down meals confuses digestion. Your brain doesn't get the signal of fullness in time, leading to overeating and poor absorption of nutrients. Eating too quickly also increases bloating and acid reflux. The better way is mindful eating. Chew each bite, put the fork down between bites, and aim for at least 15 minutes per meal. The 10th and final habit is skipping checkups and prevention. Many people only see a doctor when symptoms explode, but diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and even some cancers grow silently for years. Simple yearly checkups, blood pressure, glucose, cholesterol, can catch problems when they're still reversible. Prevention is not paranoia, it's self-respect. Now, how do you put this into practice without feeling overwhelmed? Start with one habit this week. If sitting too long is your weak spot, set a timer for breaks. If sleep is your issue, cut screens before bed. Each small shift adds up. In 3 to 6 months, the difference in energy and clarity is noticeable. Here's a quick self-check. Do I move at least once every hour? Do I sleep at least 7 hours most nights? Do I drink enough water to keep urine clear? Do I feel daily stress without any release? Do I eat meals slowly enough to notice fullness? If you answered no to 2 or more, it's time to pick one habit and fix it. Your body is built to repair itself if you give it the right conditions. Don't wait for a crisis. Choose one habit today and commit to it. The earlier you start, the younger your body feels, no matter your age. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and share in the comments which of these 10 habits you want to break first. Your choice today is your health tomorrow.